MPTV, Matt Piper, the Soccer Mentor. How you doing? Hope you're well. As it says on the board, and the winner is
Farouk Mansour, great video. This is a great channel as it's from an ex-professional player's point of view that understands the beautiful game. You know everything about being a professional footballer and what it takes to be one. Your understanding of each position helps a lot of players out. You helped me out a lot in the fullback video. Thanks for that. Also, your stories are inspirational. What you could do is use more diagrams when you edit your videos. By the way, your videos are much better now because you started editing your videos. Thanks for the tips and also this giveaway.
So a big well done to you. Thank you all for your kind comments, your suggestions for improving the site, and all the love that you've been showing me with the comments on the competition that I put forward. Thank you for everyone that got involved, and to the winner, make sure you get your address to me in the messages. Obviously in the private messages, don't put your address out there in the comments, but in the messages, and you will be receiving this ball. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon.